Okay guys, so I am beneath the Tribeca Subaru and I'm looking right now at the rear differential. So if you look here, you see that thick wire goes here, and we see here two wires, one goes here, another goes here. So once I touched this one, it got broken right away. So, and as you can see here, the cable is pretty short now, and I will need to fix that plug with this wire. So wires got corroded, and that's why we got that problem. So I will try to remove this one, and after I will try to figure out how I can attach it. I made this piece using crimple connector like that. I stripped this insulation from it, and I already put inside that cable. I used that cigarette lighter to shrink this tube. I put some of this silicone lubricant so it will repel some water to prevent the corrosion. And if you look here, I unplugged the second wire as well. To unplug it, you can push on this part and pull it from this part plug. And this one is the actual signal connector, and it has hydro insulation, you see it, right? And this one is ground. I tried to strip a bit, and you can pull a bit from this loom. So I will try to solder this on this. Also I will use some heat shrink tube to insulate, and I will also put again this one to protect it from the corrosion. So in a little while you will see the result. So let's move on. To solder these wires together, I used soldering paste and my soldering gun. So I put on top of it a bit of silicone lube, and I will try to... Okay, so this is the thermal shrinking tube. So give me a moment, I will apply it so you will see the end result. Okay, so next what I'm gonna do, as you can see there is one like that here at the end, tube. So this is the connector. I plugged it off. And there is a thinner piece of connector there, so I put it there and I will try to squeeze it so it will be connected there properly. Okay guys, so this is the end result. I put some extra silicone lube on the plug itself, on the terminal here and on that terminal as well. So okay guys, so I decided to add some extra duct tape here because my insulating tape is not that good, you see here. So to unplug this connector, it has a plastic pin, you push on it and you can pry with a screwdriver or something like that. So you see that plastic piece pin here, you press on it and you pull it. Like that. So at the end it looks like that. If you want to check if this sensor light's still working properly or not, you just turn twice the ignition key and you can see that R.DIFF temp light is on, steady. And when you turn on the engine, it will disappear. And this is it. So if you like this video, you can press on like button and share with your friends. Thank you.